Yeah, this is epic.
Whoa.
Such a sick view. Wow, it's so clear. It's amazing, so stunning. Oh, it's a bit chilly. Ow, ow, ow. So how insane is this, guys? So we're at Uluwatu Beach, aren't we? Look how crystal clear the water is.
Unbearable.
Oh, it's a bit chilly. Ow, ow, ow.
What do you think?
Oh, it's lovely, it's cool. Wow. So guys, we're at Uluwatu Beach today and we're currently in the sea. It is boiling hot.
Yeah, we're doing a bit of a beach tour today, aren't we?
Yes, we are indeed.
This is the first one. We thought it'd be a lot more sandy, a lot easier to swim, but it's very rocky.
Yeah, given that it's right by the cliff's edge, so I think we should have probably given it a bit more of a Google.
So guys, we're actually armed with the new GoPro, the Gopro Hero 9, because the other one in our last video that we filmed, we decided to dunk it in the pool and the bloody door wasn't shut, so now we can actually see ourselves in the front of it. It's like a whole new world.
So, what's happening now?
Leaving, it's way too hot.
It's too hot, we're running out of shade.
And there's not enough sea.
And yeah, the tide's going out and we don't really want to tan, do we? So, sort of out of options. So we're gonna go
check out another beach.
Check out another beach. Rocks aren't slippy, I don't think. Oh, look. What's my flip-flops? Come on, princess. Yeah. We can actually explore a bit more. Alright. Oh, this was the other side.
Nearly,
yeah. We came from there.
So,
yeah, this is epic. So we haven't left just yet. We've taken some thumbnail pictures and we're just exploring a bit more. Look at all these rocks. Wow.
Here we are. Oh, I'm bloody hot.
This is so hot. We haven't even put any sunscreen on. Oh yeah, run out of water, which is good. Stunning.
here though, anyone from Bali or Indonesia or anywhere,
Not excluding anyone.
not excluding anyone in this, if you have a favourite beach in Bali, let us know, because there are so many beaches here, it is impossible to figure out which ones to go to. So yeah, let us know in the comments, we'd enjoy it.
Yeah, because we've never been here before, and even if you've got any favourite restaurants or anything like that, it's always good to know of really sick places to visit while we're here in Bali. So yeah, hit us up. It's amazing, so stunning. I don't think we've seen a beach like this before,
Never,
have we? Like,
never.
that's got so many like coves and stuff like that. One thing I would point out is that the sand is very coarse here. It's like small stones.
Comes to the territory of rocky places, though,
Yeah,
doesn't
there's lots of like shells and all these white stones here that they just rub down and become sand, don't they? So
it? Totally, totally. The law of nature is what you could call it.
Exactly.
Guys, we flew the drone for a little bit and we did not decide to go to another beach in the end. We've just ended up staying here and we've found this little spot. We're just watching some surfing. This is the views.
Cool, chill, shaded area. That's what I was trying to say.
It's actually pretty cool, to be fair. It's really, well, it's actually quite cold.
Yeah, I mean, compared to that other side, oh my god, we were dying. I
There's a
think
sun
we were
trap.
pretty much over the beach. We're like, okay, we're just gonna find somewhere else that has more shade, but
It was a super sun trap.
yeah, that was
Too much.
too hot.
Yeah, so we just go chill out. Maybe just get some water in at some point.
Yeah.
And then maybe film some more stuff on the drone somewhere. We need to wait till the sunset and have some dinner.
Yeah.
Don't know where. I'm on a new diet, aren't I?
Oh yeah, life update.
I went to a dermatologist because I have, well, I thought it was psoriasis, but it's not. It's actually dermatitis. I've had it for about 5 years now, and the main attributes that cause it to flare up are alcohol, typically.
Stress.
Stress.
Don't sleep properly.
I don't sleep properly either, which is my own fault really. And dairy, eggs, sugar, caffeine.
Anything good?
Anything that basically every single thing that I
you can
consume.
get addicted to.
I had a cheeky Heads Benedict this morning though, because you gotta have it, but no alcohol.
No alcohol, yeah, exactly. And yeah, you're feeling good at the moment, aren't you? It's day 2.
Day 2, yeah.
So
Day 2 of 14 is.
Oh, that's nice. Come on, you. Get in the water, darling. Come on, it's lovely. Wow, it's so clear. Where? Where? Oh, wow!
It's a name. Well, it's not really.
Oh, it's got another fish near it.
Put it under the water, you better. We were just approached by a guy who was selling some crackers, and he had actually been to Dover in England. He worked on a cruise ship in Dover, which is where I'm bloody from.
I know, it's crazy.
So we bought the crackers.
So we did, but we were like, oh, the stars have aligned.
Yeah.
We were meant to meet this man.
Yeah.
But the crackers are really good, actually.
Yeah, they're good.
Very nice. There's like a massive bag full of like 20 different small bags of different crackers.
Yeah.
So yeah. I took his number because he's a tour guide. And yeah, he put it as crackers as well. His name.
Did he?
He put his name and he said, oh, it's a common name, so I put crackers as well at the end. I was like, okay.
Did he really?
Yeah, he did. He put crackers. He's like, how do you spell crackers?
That's so funny.
Yeah, we'll message him later on WhatsApp.
So we actually ended up staying the entire day.
I know, it's so worth it. I think you just said that it's a much better time to come here around 3 p.m. because it's not so hot. The sun's here all day long, And you're not just dying in the heat really, so...
Keep standing on some pretty creepy stuff though, but...
I know. I don't want to step on a crab or anything. Oh, it's lovely. It's super lovely. The way down was a bit...
Yeah, we'll film on the way
crazy.
back up. We did film a little bit, but it's weird because they've kind of built this entire like little town into the cliffs. Like every like single building is like hanging on the edge of some crazy cliff, and like on the way up here, on the way down here, it was just like little roots.
It's insane. You can see
On the way
surface
down, yeah,
straight
it's
away.
sick.
And
I think that's why everyone chills in that one, so they can see like all the surfers and stuff. Something just went on my foot.
something went on your foot.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I'm so scared to put my feet down anywhere. That's why you never, when you're in the sea, you never take your feet off the floor. So when you take them off the floor, you don't know what you're going to put them back on.
I know. I'm going to stay on the green rocks.
I can't believe this place. It's so nice, man.
It's incredible, isn't it?
Yeah. On flip-flop washing duty.
Use for a little paddle.
And we are out of here.
We are off.
We're going to go check out a surf shop just to inquire about boards because we're pretty into it.
Yeah, like sizes and shape and...
All that stuff.
Yeah, we don't know anything really, so...
The entrance to this beach is bonkers, isn't it?
Yeah, I wonder what those stairs take you up to.
They probably take you up to the one that was the cafe that was up there.
I thought it was like some sort of temple. Because there's like a sign. But...
Is there?
Yeah, there is a sign at the top.
I mean, that hardly looks safe, does it? Wow, this is naughty. Enough? Absolutely mental.
It's definitely a workout, isn't it? It's like drain pipe.
These cool shops.
Got a little bit of a headache from the sun earlier, I
It's a
think.
bit much, isn't it?
Yeah, that was a killer.
And you've got all these places all built into the cliffs and that, which is, well, I guess into the cliffs. Or on top of the cliffs. Sick though.
It's really cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm getting the grab food here.
I know. Rad.
Wild. Such a sick view. So we've just stopped off quickly where we stopped off when we were on our way to Uluwatu beach. And as you can see, I don't know if you can, but there's loads of little monkeys on the beach.
Loads of them.
And the tide is way out now.
Yes.
I think next time we come here,
Let's come a lot earlier.
we'll come to this beach as well because there's not as many
Rocks and stuff.
rocks on, close to the to the shore.
Yeah, Padang Beach.
Yeah, so we're going to
We're going to Dreamland.
Dreamland Beach.
Dreamland Beach. I think it's just it's the next one along. A
Yeah, we're
couple
gonna
along.
watch the sunset there. And
Next time we'll come to this one.
We'll come to this one next time. There's a lot more shade as well compared to the last one because of trees and stuff. But yeah, looks beautiful.
We're at Dreamland Beach, aren't we?
We are currently at Dreamland.
Pretty wild ride, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty steep, but it's really fun though. Like narrow, cobbled road to get down here. Lovely little river. We'll watch the sunset with our crackers.
We've got our cracks.
Probably get something.
We've
to
seen the
drink.
guy that sold us them four
Oh
times
my God,
now.
we did. We saw him at where was it? Common.
Some like surfing shop.
Yeah. So we went in there to find out some more information.
Yeah.
And when we were coming out, he pulled up and he was like, "Oh, hello again."
Oh, this is a much more mellow beach.
Yeah, this is nice. Perfect. Did you say?
Even now,
Whoa, look at the places over there.
I know.
just stopped off for a little coconut. Well, I'd say little, it's massive.
Yeah.
And some water, and we're probably gonna take the drone out to film the sunset, and then we might go swimming again as well, but it looks absolutely beautiful, isn't it?
Lovely.
Gorgeous. Nice little area up there where people are sitting. Super sick view over there. So Anthony's just setting up for
The drone shoot.
the drone shoot of the sunset. It's going to be grand, it's going to be amazing. You filming?
Not yet.
So guys, we're finished up at Dreamland Beach and we're going to be heading to Kelly's Warong for some dinner, and then we're going to head back to Seminyak. Guys, we are actually at Nourish Cafe now. We couldn't actually get to Kelly's Warong on the beach, so we're here. I've ordered the catch of the day, which is sea bass.
No, I got the chicken wrap and loaded fries and bacon and cheese, so the diet's gone out the window for today. But
Yeah, even though you stated the fact that you're not having dairy and sugar or whatever, but
now I've got it all.
yeah. Today was a cheat day because you had eggs already, so yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm excited for that. I haven't had sea bass in like ages, so
Looking forward to it.
yeah, it's got broccoli and creamy mashed potato and green beans, so yeah, I'm well hungry. Nice or not?
Yeah, bloody hell.
Really sour?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That is really tart.
Tart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like a sherbet. No, the loaded fries have arrived.
The fries have arrived. Fries, guys.
Fries for guys. Yeah. Really good. Right, so it's arrived. Your wrap has arrived as well.
Lovely.
Delicious. It's got Asian coleslaw in it.
Yeah. Spicy, bulgy man. Yeah, absolutely wonderful.
Yeah, just tuck in. That is it, all gone. And it's still going. With this
dying.
wrap.
I'm so full.
Healthy wrap. Ooh, that was absolutely amazing. So good. So good. I ordered the better thing this time, didn't I?
Okay.
Oh, I've got food all over me.
So home now, we're probably going to go straight to bed, aren't we? I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, like, comment and subscribe. And
See you in the next one.
see you in the next one.